Just FYI, you guys, you have to have a negative COVID test or a vaccination card to enter Hawaii. But my first stop was food. I went to YogurStory and I got on their waiting list. Highly suggested because they're always blowed. And I ordered the prime rib Loco Moco and the UBE Pancakes. And I also have a mimosa there on the side. But yeah, these are some popular Hawaiian foods. Okay, you guys, so when you first enter the room, this is the door. Immediately to your right, you have this closet that you can slide open, and it has a safe. And then this side has a shelf, ice, coffee maker, fridge, no microwave, but anyways, I really like having a microwave. Ironing board, and then this is just like a vanity mirror. Yes, I'm gonna need that with a nice stool. Okay, so when you enter, to your left there's this mirror. Hey, how y'all doing? And then you have the sink area with this going on there. But yeah, towels, your sink, bathroom. Oh, this looks like a fancy toilet. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm gonna have to try that. Okay. So yeah, nice little decent shower. Nothing spectacular. So then you walk back out. Excuse my stuff there. I am in room 1950 in case anybody wants to stay here. Okay, I'm on the 19th floor. You got a little speaker, lamp, no smoking please. These are water bottles. Fill this up with water. Reuse, refill, recycle. Then you have your lovely TV here. Okay, chair. Here's the bed that I already sat on. Look at this. Wow, yes. So this is a king size bed. So yeah, king size bed. You have a chair over here in the corner. Your phone, these hand sanitizing wipes, another lamp, your air conditioning, and what you all have been waiting for. You know, this slides. You have a chair, a table. Yes, honey, yes, it's the view for me. Woo! Honolulu, Waikiki. So this is the Sheraton Waikiki Hotel, you guys. I am staying in a deluxe oceanfront room. That's Diamond Head. You see all the people down there swimming and surfing. That's one of our 2 pools here at the resort. Look how blue the water is. But yeah, you get a little bit of everything. The water, the mountain, the city. Yes. So there you have it. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Amber Victoria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So late doing this intro, but I wanted to get on here and do an intro. I'm in Honolulu, Waikiki, Hawaii, at the island of Oahu for the first time. So super excited. I have on my bathing suit. This is from Pretty Little Thing. Like the earrings kind of match that. But anyways, I'm getting ready to go downstairs to the pool. Y'all already know that's my view. So yeah, finna go down to the pool, get some drinks, because I really want like Mai Tais. But yes, I just wanted to come on here, show my face. I was looking ugly earlier. I look a little bit decent now, just a little bit. I was trying to take some pictures. Child, whatever, I'm on vacation. I don't really care. My friend, I think we're gonna meet up later. But yeah, let's go downstairs.
You can just scan your key here. Are you gonna be at the pool today or the beach or both?
Probably both.
Alright, this is just for the pool.
Did it work?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
How many towels would you like?
Just one.
There you go. And then any of the white chairs are first come, first served. Anything with the red or the cushions will be part of the all-day rental reservation. But today we are sold out.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the bar.
The bar, just straight down the stairs, down around the brown house.
Okay, thank you.